After living aboard our trawler for over 2 years, we have decided that a longer-range vessel is required for circumnavigation.
With COVID and the quarantine, we accelerated our 5-year plans into months. We've been selling all of our things in preparation for travel around the globe.
We met 3 years ago, and our first date was to bring a boat from New York to Miami, which was going to be a 1 week, but turned to be a lifetime living off the grid. Come along with us for exploration of the unknown tropical islands, uncharted waters, exotic foods, and treasure hunting.
We have been refitting our 55-foot steel motorsail for the past 8 months and only 1 month to go. During this refit, we continue to live on our trawler and manage to escape weekends to unknown anchorages, test equipment, relax, explore, and bring you videos of water adventures from all over South Florida.